All right, today we are checking out the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Luxury. I see a lot of videos on the Calligraphy model out there, so I thought I would do one on the luxury trim. This one has a lot of value. It's right just over $50,000. You still get almost all the features of the Calligraphy, and you save yourself some bucks. So what's cooler than that? So let's start at the front. LED daytime running lights, of course, in the H for Hyundai. You'll notice a lot of H's everywhere. Even this little body painted section underneath the front grille incorporates an H. H on the headlights. Looks cool. Obviously, the new redesign is something that a lot of people are very interested about. We've had a lot of kind of talk that this is the new Range Rover Defender. I mean, if you look at it, it has a lot of similarities. I mean, even just that back section right there, that's a Defender. Anyhow, let's go around the rear. You do get the Pirelli Scorpion tires. These are some of the quietest tires on the market today. They're filled with about 1/4 inch of foam the whole inside. So you'll find these on Rivians, Teslas, Mercedes, a lot of high-end vehicles. Number one feature high-end luxury customers are looking for is quiet. So these are some of the quietest tires on the market. You have a very flat rear hatch. This is on purpose. So we'll lift this. Now, if you check these struts, they're completely 90 degrees. So straight up and down, you could fit a box from basically here all the way to the top of the roof line. Close it, and it will fit. So a couple other things, key features. You'll notice USB ports now in every seating position. So here we have the 7-passenger. We got them in the 3rd row, one on each side. We got the household plug over on this side. You can also control your own climate, and there's your own HVAC vents. So not relying on the front. You also have the little 12-volt cooled cooler, anything like that. So all the Santa Fe's are either 6-passenger in the full load models or 7-passenger in anything lower trimmed. Let's just pull the seat down. So when not in use, you do have a very useful size cargo area. Obviously, when the seats are up, you get more passengers. So let's go ahead and close that. Power lift gate. This is the Hampton gray color. It's got a little bit of a metallic in it, but more of a flat color. Very popular this year. Come around into the rear. So you do have the built-in sunshade still. Just pop up like so. You can also unroll the window with the sunshades. So that's a nice little feature. You do get rear heated seats. You get the cup holders. I love how there's a space in the middle. So if you do have like a Stanley mug or something with a handle, you can fit that. You got the little clips on the backs of the seats, more little H logos, hard seat back covers. This is kind of a cool little feature. So in the rear, you do have like a little storage bin. Plus you can access the front console from the rear, or the front, of course. You also have the USB ports in the backs of the front seats. So for anyone sitting in the 2nd row, a little bit easier. You also have reclining 2nd row seats, little cup holder. You have a fixed sunroof. I don't know why I don't have it open at the moment, but it's there. And you have a front one. So you have dual sunroofs, front one, the glass will open, rear one, just a vision roof. Look at that curved display. Now this is where we really kind of set ourselves apart from the competition, is that interior. I mean, it's gorgeous. You got the wireless cell phone chargers, USB-C, fast charging. You have the backup camera, all your integrated drive modes. Sorry, we'll just zoom up in here. So you got your drive terrain modes, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, some safety features. You still get hard buttons for the screen, like your maps, media. Now I'm gonna walk you around to the side. Come around here, blind spot detection, power folding mirrors. You have acoustically laminated side glass. Now this is really, really important for getting things quiet. So if you look, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but right here, it's kind of in between 2 panes. So you can feel raised edges on both sides. So basically what this does, it's Acoustically laminated glass. So just think it's going to be really, really quiet. You do get the memory seats, power driver's seat, of course. Let's just go into the cockpit now. Let's zoom you out a little bit. All right, so highway driving assist, or pardon me, highway driving assist. This one is the smart cruise control. This sets a distance between you and the car in front of you, but this is highway driving assist. See a little steering wheel pop up? So lane keep assist, which is that little icon up there, car between two road lines, that's gonna keep you basically from going into the ditch. Car's gonna drive, it's gonna touch the center or the shoulder line, it'll actually steer you back into your lane. But what the highway driving assist does, little steering wheel pops up beside it, that actually keeps you centered within the road lines at all times. So it's kind of like a semi-autonomous drive mode. You can take your hands off the wheel. You only get about a minute or two before it tells you to put your hands back on. If you don't, it's just gonna turn the system off. So something not to rely on, but definitely a cool feature to have. You do get the paddle shifters. Left side's down a gear, right side's up a gear. That's how you switch gears. Really fun, more control over the vehicle, coming down hills especially. You get audio rain sensing windshield wipers. So you basically just leave it in that section, and now you adjust the sensitivities. So very sensitive, not so sensitive. You get the auto headlights with the auto high beam. Again, backup camera. We'll go into reverse here. You get the 360-degree surround view. You can customize how you want to see that backup camera. It's right down at your hitch, more of a wide angle, back to the standard one. Plus you get this kind of AR, augmented reality, 360-degree view. You can kind of change how you see that, twist it around. Basically just does a quick little overview of the car, make sure nothing in front or behind you before you get going. And this is cool too. So when I actually move the vehicle, it actually moves the little image on the screen too. So pretty cool. All right, let's go back to the normal backup camera. Another big change is the shifter. So this is our column type shifter. You push the end right here to go into park. You twist it forward to go into drive, twist it back to go to reverse, and back into park. So, I mean, yes, it's a little bit different, but definitely frees up a lot of space in the console. That's how you get the wireless cell phone charge pads. You can have 2 cell phones down here at any time. This is the one that's the fast charger. Cup holders. Again, you can open that console from the front or rear. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Access to opening sunroofs, lights. Tons of little features. Yeah, so just wanted to give you a quick little overview of the brand new Santa Fe. Check that out. In the full load model, that is actually a sterilization tray. It'll clean your cell phone, keys, sunglasses with a UV light. So in this one, it's just extra storage in the luxury model. But yeah, thanks for checking me out. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but just wanted to give you a little showcase on the brand new redesigned 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.